Hello and welcome to this tutorial on market opportunity. In a nutshell, a market opportunity is a one-page briefing containing market analysis, and our goal is to provide clients with a simple to understand trading opportunity. It's important to note that Fortrade is an execution-only broker, and any analysis is for general information only and not intended to provide trading or investment advice. Fortrade Research Department are constantly analysing the financial markets and trying to recognise potential trading opportunities. Over 180 instruments which are available for trading on our platform are carefully monitored, with particular attention to major currency pairs, gold, crude oil, and numerous shares of the world's leading companies. The Research Department takes the following factors into consideration while preparing a market opportunity: geopolitical events, fundamental analysis, technical analysis that includes a pivot point, which is an example of a price to watch for opening a trading position, support and resistance levels for daily, weekly or monthly terms. We cannot guarantee the success rate of any market opportunity. It's always your decision as the client whether to trade on these. Fortrade Canada Limited is an order execution only broker and does not provide investment advice or recommendations. A market opportunity will always reflect a change of a minimum 30 pips from the example pivot point to the suggested first support or resistance line. The first section includes geopolitical events. These events allow us to assess their possible influence on the markets and may include speeches of politicians, elections, political instability, different sanctions, regional conflict, terrorist acts, or any other humanitarian crisis that can affect the world economy and the global financial markets. Fundamental analysis. This analysis might consist of scheduled events and information from different sectors such as labor data, GDP reports, monetary policy, CPI, crude oil inventories, speeches from senior officials of central banks, etc. The second section includes technical analysis, identifying trend expectations on a daily, weekly or monthly period. This data allows us to provide you an example pivot point and support and resistance levels. Pivot point, which is an example for the price to watch for opening a trading position. If the price is above the pivot point, this indicates an uptrend, and if the price is below the pivot point, this suggests a downtrend. Support level. This refers to a level that tends to find support as it falls. This means the price is more likely to bounce off this level rather than break through it. However, once the price has gone past this level, it is likely to continue falling until meeting another support level. This is an example of where you can use the take profit or stop loss options. Resistance level. This is the opposite of a support level. It is where price tends to find resistance as it rises. This means the price is more likely to bounce off this level rather than break through it. But once the price has breached this level, it will tend to continue rising until meeting another resistance level. This is an example of where you can use the take profit or stop loss options. The third section includes profit and loss calculation based on a one-lot trading volume if you use the take profit and stop loss option. Calculations are made in three currencies: the US dollar, euro, and the GB pound. Calculations are prepared based on the difference between the pivot point and support and resistance levels. Calculations are prepared for weekly trading. For intraday or a monthly time period, please ask your senior account manager to provide you with additional calculations. You should be aware that trading CFDs, as with any instrument, involves risk to your capital. CFDs are leveraged products and there is no ownership of the underlying instrument. Fortrade Canada Limited is an order execution only broker and does not provide investment advice or recommendation. member of the Investment Industry Regulator Organisation of Canada, and a member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund. We hope you found this video useful. Please join us at Fortrade again soon.